Truly, there's no other solution other than motive in my book. Speaking from experience of someone that's had to talk to somebody significant other that they won't be home at night, this is changing what we do. My name is Jeff Bozo. I'm the Director of Fleet for Congruex. Congruex has a very diverse fleet, much different from a conventional trucking organization. We are a turnkey utility contractor, so our equipment is a little different than what you would see in a conventional trucking business. During the install of the dash cams, we took a staggered approach of turning on the alerts in cab, and every time we turn one on, 3 weeks later, we see driver scores improving. Since implementing the Motive dash cam solution, we have seen an 80% decline in vehicle-related incidents this year. We had one incident where the driver had fell asleep behind the wheel, received an in-cab alert stating forward collision warning from the dash cam, and he was able to offset the impact. With the Motive platform, everything's in one place. It's streamlined, it's easy to produce reports, and most of all, it makes our drivers safe, and it protects not only our drivers, but also everybody that's around our drivers on a daily basis. With the Motive card, we've seen a 20% reduction in unauthorized transactions over the course of a 12-month period. This has contributed to the mobile-based unlock feature. We realized real quick that we need to figure out how to track if-to fuel versus off-highway fuel use. Motive partnered with us to enable different categories. Our categories include bulk fuel tank, gas cans, equipment, and then obviously the vehicle piece. This is selectable by the user that unlocks the card at the pump. One of our operating units that does the large majority of civil off-highway style work had no way of tracking fuel to the job. So we engaged a Motive team, and they built us the options that we needed. We implemented it to where the user not only unlocks the card at the pump, but when they unlock the card, they can select what job number the fuel is going to. So when they fill up a bulk tank in the morning time, they can select that job. At the end of the month, we can pull the report and report that back to the job costing, which helps us to be able to bid work more efficiently. We've saved 10% fuel cost year to date. Everybody's using the same fuel purchasing program. Everybody's speaking the same language. All the reports are the same for every financial group. It speeds production up for my team. I couldn't imagine in today's world operating without the Motive platform.